for the weary. Ain't no breath.
That the water temperature in the ocean is, yesterday morning it was 53.
Come today though.
Not me, no.
You have a many wetsuits though.
I know, it still has to be 70.
Tuesday's workout. Warm up. Stretch cords 3 times 80. Warm up. No equipment 18 times 25 swim with colon. 10 rest 2 times 25 at half Ironman effort. 1 time 25 FAST. 1 time 25 easy. Repeat the pattern of 4 for your allotment of 25s. Emphasis on crisp head turning when breathing. 10 seconds rest or set a fixed interval. Main set. Pull and swim 4 time 150 pull at 80% with colon. 20 rest. Snorkel.
Endurance.
1 chamber
Nice.
filled.
Energized.
Ankle strap.
Okay.
No.
There we go.
1 chamber filled for pulling.
Yes,
Effort
let's
is
go.
static at 80%. Performance times should be constant. Maintain an alignment focus. Allow 30 additional sec rest to transition out of your pulling gear. 4x 150 swim at 80% with colon. 20 rest. Constant pacing at 80% should translate to consistent swim time performance. Crisp head turn focus. You can or should set a fixed interval allowing for approximately 20 seconds rest per set of 4. Full. Dedicated focus on
Yeah,
alignment.
she
Second
is
set of
a
4.
world class
Swim.
kind of.
Yes.
Maintain proper
Very
alignment
sweet.
unaided by
You can
equipment.
tell her.
Also executing crisp head turns and a vertical forearm. Eye elbow about your
You late
wrist.
today.
2 times through. Endurance heavy volume.
Okay. Wow. Today. Good job. Maria. Bueno. It was good. It was good. Be safe. Be safe.
We are a team. We are a team.
Have a nice day.
Q. How did you feel your body change in the ocean after 25 miles swimming in the pool? Totally recovered kind of feeling now. A. One of the things that I noticed was the difference in buoyancy in the ocean compared to the pool. The ocean has high salinity, thus I float more. Q. Swam Sunday 21st and Tuesday 23rd were different feeling? A. I was definitely more tired on Sunday than I was today. Today I felt very strong and fully recovered. Q. Did you change appetite after last Saturday? A. I ate more directly before and after my big swim so that I could support my body. Now, I have gone back to my normal eating habits. Q. How could you ignore ocean temperature? Today's 53. A. Have developed excellent cold water endurance. Today was very cold. However, it felt more refreshing than it did freezing. Overall, I enjoyed today's temperature. Q. What's your swimming plan in the future? I mean your swimming goal or in other events. A. Right now I am training for the Catalina Channel. I am swimming it on August 12th, 2021. Very exciting.
Wash your hands and say your prayers because germs and Jesus are everywhere.